In today's fast-paced world, delivery services are more in demand than ever before. The convenience of having goods delivered to your doorstep is a luxury many are willing to pay for, and as an entrepreneur, it's an opportunity you cannot afford to miss. The delivery business industry is booming, with a surge in e-commerce and online shopping fueling its growth. It's a sector that offers several advantages to aspiring business owners. For one, the startup costs are relatively low, making it an accessible venture for many. Then there's the high demand. With consumers prioritizing convenience, the need for delivery services is only set to increase. Plus, the flexibility this business model offers is unparalleled. You can set your own hours, operate locally or nationally, and scale up or down as needed. If you're looking for a profitable and flexible business venture, starting a delivery business might just be the perfect fit for you. The first step in starting a delivery business is conducting thorough market research. It's like setting out on a journey and having a map at your disposal. You wouldn't venture into the wilderness without a map, would you? Similarly, market research helps you navigate the business landscape. It allows you to understand the demand in your area, identify your competition, and get a sense of what your potential customers need and want. So, how do you go about it? Start with online research to gather information about the delivery business in your region. Then conduct surveys or interviews to get direct input from potential customers. You might be surprised by what you learn. Maybe there's a demand for late-night deliveries, or perhaps businesses in your area need reliable courier services. By understanding your market, you can tailor your services to meet the needs of your potential customers. It's all about delivering what people want, when they want it, and where they want it. Once you've done your market research, it's time to create a comprehensive business plan. A business plan is like a blueprint for your delivery business. It's a roadmap that guides your business from the startup phase through establishment and eventually business growth. So, what are the key components of a business plan? Let's break it down. First up is the executive summary. This is your business in a nutshell. It should provide a brief description of your business, your mission statement, and the product or service you're offering. It's the elevator pitch for your delivery business. Next comes the company description. This is where you delve deeper into your business, explaining the problems your delivery service solves. You can also mention who your potential customers are and what makes your business unique. Then we have the market analysis. You've done your market research, now it's time to present it. Include information about your target market, your competition, and how you plan to stand out. The organization and management component is where you explain your business's structure. Who's in charge? Who does what? If you're forming an LLC, you'll want to detail how this will be set up. Next, outline your service line. What are you delivering? How are you delivering it? This is where you detail the specifics of your service and what sets it apart from the competition. Marketing and sales is another crucial part. How will you attract and retain customers? What's your strategy for growth? It's important to have a clear plan for how you'll approach marketing and sales. Finally, the financial projections. This is where you look to the future. How much do you expect to make in the first year, the second, the third? When will your business break even? Investors will be particularly interested in this section. Remember, a business plan is not a static document. It should evolve as your business grows and changes. It's a tool to help you stay focused and on track. A well-crafted business plan not only guides your business operations, but also helps attract potential investors. So take the time to create a detailed, thoughtful, and realistic business plan. Your future self will thank you. With your business plan in hand, you're ready to form your LLC. Forming an LLC, or limited liability company, is the next crucial step towards launching your delivery business. This legal structure separates your personal assets from your business assets, providing you with a safety net if things go south. But more than that, it gives your business a professional image, which can be a key factor in winning clients' trust. Now, the first thing you need to do is choose a unique business name. Make sure your business name is catchy, easy to remember, and reflects the essence of your delivery services. Once you have a name in mind, you'll need to check its availability. If it's available, great. If not, don't worry. Just brainstorm a few more until you find the one that fits. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. This is a legal document that officially establishes your business. It includes details such as your business name, location, and the names of the owners. It's important to note that the Articles of Organization must be filed with the state where your business will be located. There is usually a filing fee, which varies from state to state. Creating an operating agreement is the next step. Think of this as the rulebook for your LLC. It outlines the ownership structure, member roles, and how the business will be run. Even if you're a solo entrepreneur, having an operating agreement can be beneficial. It adds credibility to your business and can help in potential legal situations. Now, you might be wondering how to go about all these steps. While you could certainly do it all by yourself, there are resources available to simplify the process. One such resource is Tailor Brands. They not only help you with the LLC setup, but also provide other business services like logo design and branding. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've formed your LLC and are one step closer to launching your delivery business. Forming an LLC provides your business with legal protection and gives it a professional image. So let's move on to the next step, obtaining the necessary licenses and permits. Now that your LLC is set up, it's time to obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Let's delve into the common licenses and permits you'll need to get your delivery business off the ground. Firstly, you'll need a general business license. This allows you to operate in your city or county, and it's typically issued by your local government. Keep in mind that the cost and process can vary depending on your location, so be sure to check with your local city or county clerk's office for specifics. Next up, let's talk about the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. It's issued by the Internal Revenue Service, and it's required for most businesses. The good news? It's free, and you can apply for it online on the IRS website. Your EIN is used for tax purposes, and it's also necessary when you're opening a business bank account. Now, don't forget about vehicle registration. If your delivery business uses vehicles, they will need to be registered. This usually involves paying a fee and providing proof of insurance. Each state has its own requirements, so you'll want to check with your local Department of Motor Vehicles. You might also need specific licenses or permits depending on the type of goods you're delivering. For example, if you're transporting food, you'll likely need a health permit. If you're delivering alcohol, you may need a liquor license. Again, these requirements vary by state and city, so do your research. One more thing. If you're operating across state lines, you may need a US DOT number and a motor carrier MC number from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. These are necessary for regulatory compliance and monitoring safety. Taking the time to secure all the necessary licenses and permits might seem like a daunting task, but remember, it's a vital step in setting up a successful delivery business. It not only keeps you on the right side of the law, but also gives your customers the confidence that they're dealing with a legitimate, professional operation. Securing the necessary licenses and permits ensures your business operates within the law. With all the legalities out of the way, you can now focus on marketing your business. Diving headfirst into the world of marketing can be daunting, but it's absolutely crucial for the success of your delivery business. It's how you get your name out there, how you attract customers, and ultimately, how you grow. First and foremost, you need a professional website. This is your digital storefront, your business's face to the world. It should be easy to navigate with clear information about your services, pricing, and contact details. Remember, a well-designed website isn't just about aesthetics. It's about functionality. It should make it easy for potential customers to understand what you offer and how to avail themselves of your services. Next, leverage the power of social media. This isn't just posting a few pictures on Instagram or tweeting once in a while. It's about engaging with your audience, building relationships, and fostering a sense of community. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share updates, promotions, and even behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. This helps humanize your brand and build trust with potential customers. And speaking of promotions, offering promotional deals can be a highly effective marketing strategy. This could be a discount for first-time customers or a loyalty program that rewards repeat business. Not only do these deals attract new customers, but they also incentivize them to keep coming back. Finally, don't forget about traditional marketing methods. Flyers, business cards, and local newspaper ads might seem old-fashioned in the digital age, but they can still be incredibly effective, especially for a local business like a delivery service. Remember, marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all proposition. What works for one business might not work for another. It's all about trial and error, about finding what resonates with your target audience and doubling down on it. Effective marketing is key to attracting customers and growing your business. So don't be afraid to take risks, to try new things. Your business's success depends on it. Starting a delivery business in the USA involves several steps, but with careful planning, it can be a profitable venture. First, it's essential to conduct thorough market research, understanding your potential customers and competitors. This knowledge will guide the creation of your business plan, a blueprint that will outline your business's future trajectory. One crucial step in starting your delivery business involves forming a limited liability company, or LLC. This structure provides you with legal protection, separating your personal assets from your business. Tailor Brands can simplify this process, allowing you to focus on the next step, obtaining necessary licenses and permits. These legal documents ensure your business operates within the law, providing peace of mind for both you and your customers. Finally, marketing your business effectively is crucial to attract customers and drive growth. With the rising demand for delivery services, now is the perfect time to start your delivery business. Good luck!